Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Need to send money to someone in another country? In this quick video, I will show you how to send money internationally using PayPal safely and step by step. Let's go. First of all, go to paypal.com or open the PayPal app and log in with your email and password. Make sure your PayPal account is verified and linked to a bank or card. Just click Link Bank and follow the process. Now click on Send and Request at the top, then click Send Money from Payden, Pay and Get Paid option. Click Send Payments. Now enter the email address or phone number of the person you are sending money to. Enter the amount you want to send and select the currency if it's different from yours. PayPal will show you the exchange rate and an international fee. Review the total before continuing. Choose how you want to pay from your PayPal balance, bank account, or credit or debit card. Send money with a card might have extra fees compared to using your balance or bank. Double check the recipient information, amount, and currency. Then click Send Payment Now. PayPal will notify both you and the recipient once the transfer is successful. And that's it. You can send an invoice, click Send an invoice option, enter recipient or customer, email address, then items, and follow the process. That's it. Sending money internationally with PayPal is fast, safe, and just takes a few clicks. If this guide was helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. See you on the next one.